Hello everyone and welcome to the I guess unscheduled stream once again. Welcome to the stream. How are you all doing today? I'm not doing so great, not because of my health. It's more like my my brain cells are dying because of all this. I had hoped that at least like that yesterday. Oh god, OBS. Yeah. Yeah, the stream just lagged. Like, what? I don't know why, but the stream just lagged. You should restart or something. Okay, one moment. I'll exit. Okay, is it all right now? Is the stream doing well? I mean, I guess even my program decided, it's an unscheduled stream. I'm not gonna let you stream properly today. There was no plan or reason or rhyme today. You just started without any kind of schedule. I won't let you start the stream properly. So it's probably behaving like that. I don't know with what factors that my stream is behaving this way, but anyway, I'm glad that it's at least good right now. But yeah. Anyway, welcome to the stream, Shadow. Oh god, why is it? Oh wait, one moment. I forgot. I'm actually downloading something. Let me stop that download right now. I just realized. Oh god, I'm actually downloading something. Oh god, what a brilliant thing to do! I completely forgot. Okay, restarted the stream. Let me just check my internet speed for a moment. Like, what's... Okay, my download's alright. I mean, my download seems alright. Though I really don't know what went wrong earlier, but... Okay, seems like my download is alright, so hopefully I don't keep lagging like what happened earlier. Hopefully. hopefully. List. Okay. Hey, Cooper AL, welcome to the stream. How are you doing today? How's it going? List. Question mark. Pages. I really don't know if this is like the proper way to go about this, but we'll see. We'll see if this is the proper way to go about it or not. Custom function dot get pages. Okay, I'm back. I've restarted the stream again. I actually closed the streaming program and restarted it. So I'm hoping that it's going to stream better today, better now. Like not only is my program like programming that's having problems, but now OBS is also having issues with me. Like what? Come on, seriously, OBS. Why do you have to do it this way? Wait, not 2. I think it's 1. No. I think it needs to be 2. Yeah, needs to be 2 and page split. Is it 0, 1? I think it's the number of elements that needs to be in there. Okay. You don't know what OBS is, lol. I'm talking about the program OBS, Shadow. I don't know what you're imagining me say to talking about. you're probably thinking about something else, like something totally something else. Okay. Into current page, max pages, and current index. Okay, max page and current index. On top of that, add in the current pages to here. Okay. Initialize variables. Oh, okay. I need to initialize the variables. Sure, no worries. I mean, I thought it would be a default, even though I did not initialize it. So, okay, expected 7 arguments. Okay, what do you mean 7 arguments? Well, pages is right there, and window title. Oh, okay, window title. Okay, whoops. Okay, event dot get view title. Okay, there we go. Remember when you said it's because of OBS and you didn't know what OBS is? Oh, I do remember that slight joke that you made. Although I still don't understand. What the joke is about, like what it originates and everything. To be honest with you, Sharo, like what kind of joke is it and all that? I still have no idea what it entails and all that. Okay, what? Why does it seem like wait, does it not get updated? Yeah. Does the max pages not get updated? Property can be converted to a local variable. What do you mean? What do you mean the property can be converted to local variable? I'm trying to like have it updated dynamically. Is that not going to work? In that case, this whole programming is a complete and utter mess. Okay. 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 Let's try this again, shall we? Oh, what a mess. What a mess this is. I thought I was doing something interesting, and instead I ended up creating myself a brand new problem. Like, I'm not even kidding. This was not something that I had to meddle with. But the thing is, I realized I had to do this regardless. So, so what's happening is that this code, like there's like a duplication code that's happening, and I really don't know what to do about this duplication. yeah, I really don't know what to do about this duplication. So I'm like, okay, okay. So, what? And that's what's happening right here. At least the good thing is that I've also like recently added like just yesterday, after the stream's over, and I spent the entire day adding in custom stuff and solving a couple of issues, and also made sure that everything's going all right. And okay, Lizzie, you won't be able to join me. You know what's going on. I know. Don't worry about it. And take care. Yeah, she's having a bit of a family loss at the moment, and she's unable to come to my stream right now. So that's completely okay. That's completely all okay. But family is more important than some online streamer. I'm just saying, no matter what it is. So yeah. Anyway, close all that. Let me restart from the beginning so that I know what I'm doing and where. So minion command. So what I'm doing is I've given myself two different commands. One is the custom give, and the other is items. And so yeah, currently right now I'm like going through this whole options and all that. Okay, the option of the else, if the second argument is give, or if the second argument is heads, if it's empty, I mean if the third argument is empty, then like show the options for players. What should I do? What should I do? The argument is okay. Okay, default remove. Rather, I should probably do something about adding in stuff. I just realized I've been streaming basically my own what I'm doing and what is Z-SMP like almost for a week now, I believe. I was gonna make a community like post apologizing and just saying that I have a tunnel vision at the moment, and that's making me want to like sort this out first before I move on to anything else, and that's why I'm doing this. Is what like how I'm feeling and all that. That's why I'm doing this and etc. So on top of that, and yawning. So anyway, I hope that everyone had a great day yesterday, and today will be a wonderful day, or had been a wonderful day, because it's morning here for me in Australia, and for much of the world who are sleeping right now, or it's almost evening time for people in America, or Mexico, and Canada, and all those places. I hope that the next day will be a better day. If the previous day was not a good day, or the current day was not a good day, it'll depends. It all depends on how things go. One moment. If the inventory title starts with the Z-SMP custom minions, then yeah, go to inventory, click list. Getting the list, obviously. Okay. I guess in several parts the codes, the codes will, I guess, in a way, copy each other. Let's see if Wait, if the title does contain custom minions, or if it does contain the minion items. Yeah, if it does contain any of this, then let's go roll with that. Inventory click. Ring mode. Okay. The reason that I'm doing this is because I realized this is gonna be one heck of a pain. Wait. Okay. Make that mode. I'm just trying to shorten everything and make it so that the code and everything will be functional. If you know what I mean. Wait. Contents are query but never okay. It's okay. If mode equals custom minions. Yep. Else if mode equals custom minion items. Oh wait. Custom minion item. Okay. It's not possible to convert it to okay. Is there a way to make it global? like seriously, is there a way to make it global? Because these are completely two separate things. I don't want to like repeat the code multiple times, the same code over and over. That sort of like defeats the purpose, the point of what why I decided to start this whole mess in the first place. Oh man. Okay. On minion items inventory click. Looks like I'm gonna have to copy this. Yeah, looks like I'm gonna have to copy this entire code and make a literal copy of it, but instead there will be minor changes, obviously. Minion items, yep. And everything below is not the same. Okay. Oh god. Set inventory off. One moment. Oh. And this is another problem. My programmer, my editing program, my GUI program froze along with my stream. Like, what is going on? Yeah, I'm back. I literally restarted my computer, my streaming laptop, because my streaming program is failing like crazy. I'm not even kidding. It is failing like crazy. It feels like even my streaming program doesn't want me to stream today, like for some reason. I mean, but it's not that it does it today. It does it so many times that I'm getting frustrated. I'm getting frustrated. Why is it always like this? I wish it just tells me what is the reason that it's showing me red. Why is the bandwidth going out of control? Like something like that. Explanation. And oh god. Welcome back, everyone. It seems that I'm facing some sort of weird technical issues today, both on my programming side and also on this side as well. So I believe of custom minion page. So I believe the best course of action for me to do is wait things out, I guess. Like, seriously, either I wait things out, hoping that it fixes itself, or if this keeps continuing, this keeps happening, I simply stop streaming today. It feels like that's what it's like trying to make me do. It feels like it is trying to make me not stream today, which is kind of weird considering that I actually did not feel like streaming today, which is kind of strange, to be perfectly honest with you. I did not feel like streaming today because I don't know, I was tired and I thought I don't want to bring these problems to you guys. You're probably dealing with your own problems on your end, and so onion items page. So minion items page. Okay, I'm back again. Like, I'm not even sure what I'm expecting for my program to work or not, to function or not. Like, seriously, who's gonna stick around and watch someone who's like struggling with their streaming program failing constantly? Who wants to stick around and watch? I'm pretty sure by now Shadow already left anyway, so okay. I think this is kind of like a sign. Like, I did not feel like streaming today because I was like tired, really tired with all these issues that I'm having to deal with. That like Lizzie said, I probably should take a small break from programming, but I don't want to like leave it hanging. I wanted to at least get it sorted out, get it solved, etc. before I take any sort of break. Or however, I'm still not doing any of that. Instead, I'm now trying to figure out in what way or form can I make this simpler for myself in the future and all that. But then it looks like the way I programmed it makes it ridiculously difficult to do so in the future, because it's a literal copy and paste. That's basically what I'm doing, copy and pasting a lot of the code. Anyway, let me see right now. Going to the thing. At least one good thing is, at least I've mostly sorted out everything else. So there should not be other issues. Hopefully. What's this? Why did I get environmental? Okay. Not sure why I got the environment message there, but okay. I will see now what has become of my current copy and pasting of this code. Because I don't think things are going well at all. I don't believe that they were going that well at all. Command kit on tab completion. Minions. Yes. And when it's minions, obviously tab complete the minion command. On command, either it's a give command or it's the what's that? Heads, which like goes into the heads one. So you either give the minion or you go into the heads. That's what it is. Minions, heads, etc. So yeah, it's gonna be quite interesting to say the least, to see what this turns out to be. Okay, and let's test it out. Let's test out the command. Hopefully, I don't believe that there will be no problems. I believe there will be problems, but anyway, this is one of the things that I've added just yesterday, is that skins. So now you can change the head of the minion by placing a skin right here, or at least placing a minion head. I should I should rename this. Placing a head here. That's I should make it so that you can only place or give like custom minion heads. And as Archie requested a while ago, I made sure to get like AI to help me make a simple lore of what this head is about. And yeah, and this is what it looks like. A penguin king. And since the mob boy, the penguin did not win, so I decided might as well include this in the Z-SMP. A head, a penguin wearing a crown, being a minion. Might as well be that way. And I also made sure to give like other sounds as well. Okay, so time to. Okay, minions, heads. Yeah, it's not loading. Okay, it is definitely not loading. Yeah, it just. Yep, I knew it. And could not find the custom item by the search term. Okay. Minions. Heads. Lol. Could not find a search term. I was not even doing a search term. What are you on about? Okay. The amount needs to be numeric. Only plays are allowed. Okay. Give minion item. Hey Brina, welcome to the stream. How are you going? How's it going? Thank you for dropping by. I've been having streaming problems and coding problems, so I hope it's not too big of a problem, too big of an issue for you, hopefully. And so it's odd. It's really odd. Like player 2, yes, player 2 is that. Player item. I mean, this is what is supposed to happen really for 3. Oddly enough, that's not what's happening because I'm getting errors here. All this red text. An error occurred. Yes. Yep. Because normally when you go, okay, minions, heads, player, and it's supposed to list all the custom items or custom minion head items that are there. However, it's giving me error. So like, there must be something weird going on here, or at least that's what I believe anyway. Okay, hold on. Okay, making this 3. Yeah, perhaps I should do it just like this. Make it 3, okay, so that it knows it needs to go through that, and otherwise it'll just keep on looping around there. Probably that's the mistake I made there. Probably. Well, being a genius myself when it comes to bad programming, this is most likely is what happened. Okay, and if any kind of stream lag, stream delay, or stream problem happens, Brina, I actually had to deal with it numerous times by now, and in a way it almost made me feel like stop streaming today, because I already did not feel like streaming today because I was tired of running into these problems continuously. However, I thought, hey, oh well, I did wake up, so might as well do it, might as well stream. I just changed the music because it was villainous. Oh, there we go, finally. Minion core. Okay, finally, at least it's showing. Okay, could not find the custom minion heads by search term. Lol, are you kidding me? Okay, so if it is like this, then I should do something. Okay. Obviously, if it's not like player is not OP, then do not proceed. Obviously, and adding to the code is equals 1. Then show minion items. Okay, let's go with that because the first command will always be 1. So I'm hoping to see what it is. So anyway, I hope that you had a wonderful day yesterday, Brina, along with your friend Amy. I hope you had a great time playing different kinds of games and etc. And make sure to enjoy the time that you have as kids or as young adults about to grow up into adults, I guess, or in a way growing up into big kids. maybe. I mean, when you look at the what's happening in the adult world, I guess you could call it they're all big kids. They're not adults. Like, what even is an adult? Is it like screaming, yelling, complaining, all sorts of things? I really don't know. They're setting a great example of themselves. Oh, there we go. It finally loaded. And whoa. Okay. Okay, the page is a little too big. Yeah, the title is a bit too big. Let me fix that. Hold on. I need to like cut down the text for the thing. Cut it down. The text is too big. Z-SMP minion items and make it minions. Yep. And in the listener, make that minion items, and here make that minions. Okay. Because what's the point if it's gonna be this massive? Yeah, and we went to camp in the forest. It was fun with your great friends. That's great. But I hope that you guys take care of yourselves. Take care of yourselves, because like I can imagine there being some danger and stuff that you should be aware of. Because camping outside in the wilderness is it is really great sometimes, because it is like, I don't know. Putting you in like nature, being one with the nature, kind of makes us feel very relaxed, very happy, and very cheerful. But at the same time, remember, there are those who don't really have a great time. Like they're out there willingly causing havoc, mayhem, difficulty, struggles, etc. for all these other people. And so yeah, when you're going out into the wild, do be careful. I hope that nothing majorly problematic happens. That's my sincerest wishes for all of you, because no one wants to experience that sort of nightmare. Like, seriously, who wants it? Seriously, who wants that kind of nightmare? Okay. Did I update the plugin? Yes, I did. Uploading it to the server and restarting the server. So anyway, okay. So like, did you guys take any pictures of yourselves? Normally a lot of people would, or people don't. I really don't know. Whenever I and my family went to go out, we tend to take a lot of pictures, mainly because first of all, I have a large hard drive space, and second of all, it's because I feel having these memories with us is a good idea and all that. So that's the reason why I do it. Okay, so the index is out of bounds, 184. Oh, okay. Oh wait, did I probably make a mistake here somewhere? I probably did, knowing myself. Ah, yes, I did. Yes, I did. So let's go with that, shall we? And what's the problem here? It says it's like tab completion error at 184, and I'm yawning. I'm yawning. 184. Is it this? Is it this? Tab completion Minecraft command 184. Index is out of bounds. I'm actually not sure what this is about. Let me retry. Retry. Because what's going on up there? I just want to solve that problem because I'm actually glad. I was able to solve it without any major hurdles that I normally go through. No kidding. Usually when I'm like adding new code to like show you the window inventory of what's happening, such as the custom items that I've created, or the Z minions, or not Z minions. You know what? Might as well call them Z minions. It is since it is Z-SMP, so Z minions. Okay, and all right, this popped up. What is it? Where is it? Heads in plugin page, tab completion 150. No, even before that. 187. Okay, 187. What? But I made sure though to say if the object is null or if it is. So are you kidding me? I have no idea why this is like saying out of bounds, but whatever, I guess. Like I did the same thing here though. I literally copy and pasted. I didn't even do any changes, and what a silly code. This is the thing. Sometimes it doesn't make sense why the error pops up in the first place, even though, you know, I'm actually there should not be any error. You see, I made it so that it says either it's null or, you know, the equals string. Or maybe I should go do it this way, perhaps. Or but that, wait, that what? Yeah, kind of. Oh, whoa, didn't see that coming. Okay. Okay, let's do this. Adding in here to make sure. But the thing is, I'm actually kind of like slightly concerned is that I've been streaming only my programming and everything for the last for 1 week, I believe, for over 1 week now, and I'm like slightly concerned is that could you guys be probably getting bored of me streaming the same thing over and over? But the thing is though, I don't want to like do this off screen and all that. I do a lot of coding off the stream and all that, but the thing is I'm so obsessed with trying to get this right and get it to work for the Z-SMP that I don't I'm not exactly even playing. I'm more or less just coding and just testing out all the stuff. That's basically what I'm doing. Oh man. Okay, wait, is there a way to get like the maximum level house update? I'm not sure. Yeah, is there a way to, let me just search Spigot API get max level table level of enchantment. Is there a way to know the max level that you can enchant an enchantment? So there's an option for get max level. Let me look at it. Oh, okay. There is a max level. Okay. Okay. In that case, I actually sorted out because with the code that I wrote yesterday, you can actually make mending go up to level 2, 3, 4, up to even 10. I didn't realize that. Oh shoot! I should not do that. Yes, Brina. Can I tell you something, Vertex? No, I'm not getting bored because you have to do what you want to do. Thank you for understanding, Brina. Thank you so much. You are a really great person. Thank you so much. And sure, go right ahead. What do you want to tell me? Yeah, go right ahead and tell me. What is it that you want to tell me about? Okay. Two. Nah, I just realized. Copy that. Paste this here. Like basically, no one in the stream probably understands what the heck I'm doing. Although some people will probably understand and some don't. I mean, it's life. It's life. What can I say, really? But yeah, go ahead and let me know, Brina. What is it that you wanted to tell me about? But still, I'm kind of like reeling from yesterday, seeing two Brinas on the stream at the same time. And the other Brina was trying her or his best to like convert try to speak in English. I type in English because that's the only language that I can understand. Like seriously, I'm not even joking when I said that I'm not able to read or write in my own native language, but I can speak it. So English is the only thing that I can go with. And if anyone wants to like replace English with any other global language, I'm going to struggle because English was probably one of the easiest languages that I learned. Why does it feel like people want to confuse, make it difficult for people and all that? Also, why is it going auto tab complete 187? I am what in the world? Oh, come on. Oh, come on. This ticks me off. I'm not joking. This really ticks me off. Like, if I go to items, gear, yeah, I have no issues at all. But if it's minions, heads, player, I mean, is it because I have to do it this way? Yeah, probably because I copy pasted it. Probably that's what happened. Okay, I have a total of 2 minion cores. Anyway. Ha! Both are minion cores. It's the only difference is that one is an item and the other is a nether star. So let's get rid of it. That vanished? What? That just vanished out of my hand. Okay, collected the stuff. Like I'm collecting them and only trashing them. I'm not even putting them to good use. I'm not even joking. Putting the minion code there. Okay. The thing is, I need to actually figure out a way to make it so that minion core can only be something. Also, what happened here? Huh? What? Okay. This is hilarious. What happened here? What happened here? This is hilarious. His head's missing. His head is missing? Yeah, his head is missing. Like, okay, how is that possible? I don't know. let's just give him B. Yeah. Okay, give him a B minion, B head, and have the carrot have the penguin. I guess I'll get like this. Okay. So yeah, actually I should make it so that the minion cores will be only one stack, have one item each, is what I'm thinking. Although how I'm gonna possibly make that happen is a question mark in itself, really. It's a question mark in itself. Oh, and so in the morning you went to sleep and didn't even eat breakfast, so you're eating right while watching, and I think you're kind, good, and nice person. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Why is his head missing? I think it's like something in the code that went wrong, Brina. I feel like something in the code went wrong when he was like being assigned or spawned, something like that. That's probably what happened. His head like completely vanished, because this is what his head's supposed to look like, and this is if I give it like a custom head. So minion skin. Although I should name it to head, minion head. I should rename that to minion head. Rename that to minion head, because that's not exactly minion skin, that's minion head. Okay, minion command, minion listener, no. Classes, minions, not base, items, no. Action, actually there's one thing that I did like improve on yesterday, is that I created what is it, NBT tags. So this is what I created yesterday, and while in the morning I did like struggle with fail and all that, I realized my mistake, I understood my mistake, and so I improved on them, and now everything works completely and utterly fine. No issues at all. I'm glad now no issues were there. And thank you so much, Brina, for like thinking that I'm a kind, good, and nice person. I feel that I am like that. So guess your favorite anime. I mean, could be Dragon Ball Super or Demon Slayer. Demon Slayer, Brina. I'm just guessing. I don't really know, because you did say that you liked the Dragon Ball Super, the Demon Slayer, and a couple of others, but I don't remember the others. But Demon Slayer stuck with me, I guess. I mean, or yeah, Demon Slayer. Could it be the Demon Slayer, or is it Dragon Ball Super, or was it any other anime that you listed to me that my brain has decided not to remember right now? Probably it could be one of those, actually, to be perfectly honest. Okay, anyway, minion worker. Okay. Okay, I need to replace that with this. Get the head. Yeah, minion head. You can change the head of the minion by placing a head here. Oh, okay, My Hero Academia. So that's your favorite. Nice. Okay. Nice. That's good. At least it's not one of those animes that I don't remember, at least. Although My Hero Academia is like it's like you can watch it and you can also not watch it. It's like, I'm not sure. It's sometimes it is super great, like the time when All Might went up against like all for one, and other times when Deku was fighting against that robot at the first, or probably later in the series, where he was like he left the Hero Academy and started being like a rogue hero or something like that. in order to ensure that everyone is safe from All for One. So that's those parts of the code of the not code. Those parts of the anime or story of the My Hero Academia is always awesome to watch. Like the struggles of the heroes and how they, despite all the struggles that they go through, they do their best to keep going and just give their all. I mean, I don't know. Even in my heart, somewhere, I feel like I can like how his wife forgive him for all the atrocities that he committed against his family. Even though Debbie, his second son, was it? I'm not sure. Could never forgive him. But the thing is, while I understand Debbie's pain, what about his mother? Why is he not thinking about his mother? Why is he only concentrating on his feelings? Like, his mother was a flawed character too, but she still did her best. Despite having an abusive husband, she still did her best. But is this how he would repay her? I mean, I guess when you lost all reason and you have nothing more to lose, and you feel that you are unwanted, I guess it does put you on the road to become a villain. I guess it's sad. It's sad. The reality is, as it has shown, like that. My Hero Academia quirk, please. Obviously, like I was saying, all for one, one for all. Endeavor's fire or blaze. Was it blaze or was it fire? I'm not sure what his quirk actually is. I'm not bothered with it. I've more or less invested my time with all for one. Not all for one, sorry, one for all. The man himself, the first one, his one, which is actually the stockpiling one that even his own brother, the one for all, had no idea about. Like, despite one for all being like the OP person and everything, he still did not know his own brother's capabilities. And I mean, I guess he cared about his brother just enough to give him stockpile. Wait, I think I said this wrong. I said this the wrong way. No. I think he knows about stockpile because one for all is the one who, not one for all, sorry. All for one is the one who gave his brother, one for all, the stockpile ability. And that stockpile ability obviously gathers energy and gets strength, gets stronger as time passes, I guess, and all that. And however, he had no idea that his brother had the power to pass on his power to others and to ensure that the next generation will be able to acquire those powers and etc. So yeah, I don't think he had any idea. Okay, and that's good. So I can change the skin's head like that, and added a B minion item here. So these are items, really. Minion core. Okay. So this is basically what it is, and basically items. Oh. One moment, my screen's gone dark on me. It always does whenever I'm playing Minecraft. I don't know why it does that, but it does. It's kind of annoying, really. So let me wait. Let me get reloaded. Man, I can't believe it's almost been 1 hour since I started streaming, and I've been half an hour of that was just me struggling with the stream. Like, it's always dying on me continuously. That's also part of the reason why Sheriff left. I believe. I mean, who would stay on the stream when it keeps continuously lagging and all that? Who would? Guess who? Sorry? Okakos. Who's? One moment. Let me. My Hero Academia. Oh. Who is? Oh, her. Okay, she's got gravity, obviously. Also, why are people searching death? Like, why are they searching? Like, wait, hold on. MHA, Okako, what is this? Why is this the first thing that shows up? Like, what's going on? What did they? Well, I am so puzzled. Isn't she like the female lead? Or I could be wrong on this one, but like, I don't know. From the very get go, she always had that. How do I put it? The very minion. I mean, she always had that vibe that she's like a hero material. I mean, a hero material. Sorry, heroine material is what I feel. Can I say that? Can I say that like properly? Yeah, hero material or something like that. So it's kind of hilarious to think that she's like that. Like, what? Are you kidding me? Anyway. Okay, one moment. Minion inventory, minion worker, minion inventory. And the one thing I need to do here is, like, how do you set an action? How do you set a max stack size? I'm not sure. I'm not really sure. Anyway, minion action. Minion base. Not minion interface. Yep. Minion item. Yep. Wait. Override. Public. Item stat. Get item. Yeah, I think that this is definitely gonna override this. Although one question I do have is, how is it going to work? Get. This is gonna loop itself, right? Yeah, I get this. I get the feeling it's gonna loop itself. Okay. Get storage. Set the display name of the item. Now. Getting the NBT tag. I'm going to give it a unique thing. Let's go with it. Z-SMP custom item thing. No, that's a beautiful wallpaper. Oh, you meant this? Oh, you actually saw it? Okay. I wasn't sure if you saw it or not, but probably you like saw it for a brief moment before all my windows like restored. When I was like removing or updating the monitor thing because it kept going black and white. I mean, it's like automatic, really, because I have Minecraft Bing wallpaper engine installed, so it like cycles through whatever that Minecraft Bing chooses randomly, and pops up, and that appears on my thing like that. And it's like a good scenery, actually. In a way, if I go back to look at it, it's like a good scenery. I don't know where this photo was taken, but it's like good scenery with the sunset or sunrise in the horizon there, the blue skies with the murkiness, slight murkiness to say that it's okay. It's gonna be a good day, but there will be some rain to it. And we have the mountain and just the way the sunlight and shadows fall down here. It's awesome. It's a very great picture. I wonder how and where this was taken. It's such a good picture. Like you said, Brina. Okay, I need to add one other thing. And I actually don't need to have like, this is like something that doesn't require me to actually have something else. I just need to place custom item. Yep. Oh, it reminds you of the place where you and your friends camped at. Okay, that's interesting. That's interesting. Well, Z-SMP, the custom item max stack. Okay. Set integer to 1. Set integer. Okay. I mean, was it really that beautiful? Where you and your friends were camping at? Like, did you like take a like by camping? Do you mean that did you go take your camping gear like tent, poles, as well as sleeping bags and all that? Is that what you mean, Brina? You took your camping stuff, or is it that you just walked out, like took a hike, went walking for a couple of hours or maybe, and then arrived at that like secluded location, and you guys obviously had enjoyed your time there. I believe. Could that be what happened? I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure. Okay, so that's what happened. All right. Okay, the fact that I actually guessed it right, I'm actually impressed with myself. I am actually impressed with myself. Lol, that is hilarious. That is really hilarious. That is really hilarious. Okay, so so Z-SMP underscore custom. Whoa. Stack size related underscore stack UID. Now, usually all of that can remain the same. However, here I'm going to be making a slight change. I'll be making a slight change. Go to super. Default NBT tags. So what I'm doing here is I'm going to give NBT tag the set integer custom item dot max stack, and okay, I'm just setting it default. It is. I'm warning you, but don't buy Mr. Best Burger. I actually don't eat burgers, Brina. I actually don't like the burgers. Usually, when I get burgers, it's like soft and tender, and I don't. And sometimes it's hard and heavy, and sometimes it's all over the place, and that's the reason why I don't really like eating burgers. So I think that's an absolute win for me. I think that's an absolute win for me. It's disgusting. I can imagine. I can understand. I also felt that way too when I ordered my first time this burger, like a chicken burger. What was it? I think so. Chicken burger. I think it was Wicked Wings chicken burger. And while the Wicked Wings was great, the burger did not taste great at all. Like, I don't know. It felt stale. It felt like I was eating something that had no flavor to it. Something was completely wrong with it. I'm not entirely sure, but yeah, it felt completely off. It felt completely off, and so I decided, nah, I don't like this. I don't like this one bit. I don't like this one bit. Random UUD to string set string. Make every item its own thing. Make every item its own thing. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. You know, actually, I just realized. Low defaults. Yes. Okay. Go to super and is custom. Get ID, get name, get display, get description, get receipt. Okay, I'm gonna add something here. Int get max stack. So what's gonna happen here is I'm going to get integer of max stack. Yeah, that's how it'll roll. And if the max stack is less than that, obviously we would go with creating this UUID. Obviously, you get every item have its own thing, something like that. Is what I'm thinking anyway. So custom item class. If I go here, where is here? That is right here. What's going on with Zycats and Lizzie right now? And I forgot what's going on with your family. I don't know about Zycats. Zycats probably busy doing her own thing, and Lizzie apparently lost a family member to cancer, so she's grieving over that, which she rightfully should. I mean, she lost a family member, so obviously it would be very shocking if she did not grieve over that. My family are doing all right. My son is doing all right. He's improving. He's getting better, and everything. So I'm happy about that. And one moment. Okay, getting this. If get max stack is equals 1, then obviously create a new ID for the item, like making sure that the item comes in of itself. So actually I just realized I don't actually need to overwrite the original thing since it's the same. Hey Nayat and hey Archie, welcome to the stream. How's it going? And Archie, I have a surprise for you. You remember how you requested that you wanted to be in like some way or form or shape on the server? You remember that request that you made? You saw? Yeah. Basically, I did this for you, and I did one other thing over here for. I mean, this is just something that I just suddenly got inspired overnight. I don't know why, but I suddenly got inspired overnight for it. So yeah, so we have a penguin skin that you can, like, not skin, but penguin head that you can place on your minions now, which is bottom here, minion head. Place it there. Additionally, the minion core obviously remains the same regardless, so that's okay. And yeah, that's actually not good, Brina. So yeah, currently Lizzie's off grieving over the loss of her family. It's sad when things like that happen. There's nothing we can do. And cool textures. Thank you, Archie. And question, what's your favorite type of stone, marble, rock? Are they? I'm not too sure, Archie. Unfortunately, when it comes to knowledge about the stone, marble, and rock, I have zero knowledge. I mostly depend on my wife to have those questions answered for me, actually. So I actually don't know what to reply here. I actually don't know what reply I should give for that one. What I mean, how many stones, marbles, or rocks there are? I'm not too sure. I mean, does polished marble? Is polished marble even a marble, or is it just because it's polished? I'm not too sure. You really don't know, Archie? Okay, why did you ask the question if you don't know yourself? Normally you should ask a question if you know yourself. You just confused both yourself and me here. I mean, seriously, this brings back the meme of how many people have said with Sun Tzu, if you want to confuse an enemy, you better confuse yourself first. Is that what happened here? I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure. By the way, I've noticed this yesterday when I was watching, like, listening to my stream. Actually, is that like for some reason, whenever I'm like listening to my stream and all that, I tend to feel like, oh my god, I feel like laughing. Why do I sound so funny? Why do I talk so funny? Obviously, you asked a random question. I understand, but still, that Sun Tzu meme comes into play here. If you want to confuse your enemy, confuse yourself first. Brilliant job. That makes no sense. It doesn't, Brina. That's a joke. It doesn't make sense, and that's a joke. Okay. Sorry about the sudden silence. I yawned. Man, I keep yawning, even though I think I had a decent amount of sleep, like 5 hours of sleep. I think that's decent, or probably not. I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure if it's that decent or not, but anyway. So I just was looking, and I just realized. This and this are basically the same thing. So, am I like copying and pasting everything? I'm not too sure. And Brina, do you remember the way I do PvP? I confused the enemy. Yes, you did, Brina. Yes, you did. Being unpredictable is like the worst thing the enemy could expect from you. Normally, they would expect some sort of a pattern, some sort of a style or other, and all that. Oh. And stream problem. Stream problem, everyone. The streaming program is showing red on my screen. Okay, I think it's back to normal. Like there was a sudden spike. Man, I want to change my ISP, but I have a bit of a problem. It's that currently the internet is currently registered under someone else's name, and they're not here in the country at the moment. So because we all live in the same house, in a group house, and we're a big group family. So my dad is not in the country, and it's registered under his name. And though he did say that I could call under his name and all that, I'm kind of like worried. Like, would there be some sort of issues and all that I'd have to deal with, because the internet is currently registered under his name, and would they like have any like voice recognition or something like that? I'm not too sure. I'm not exactly too sure on that. Anyway. And you're a good speedrunner? That's good. That's good, Brainer. That's good. That's a good skill to have. And it seems that my program is going all over the place. Okay, let me calm down. Let me go back to the code. Okay, so far so good. Get fuel, yep, core item, core booster, etc. And obviously all the data gets saved in the Z-SMP folder right here. Right here in the minions. 4 items. And obviously the core is the player head. It's like a custom modified head from the head database API that Hypixel also uses. Actually, Hypixel is like one of the major users of theirs. So it'll be interesting to see how this all turns out. Hello Jeb. Hello Carrot Minion. I just realized. What if I go into OP and place him down? Or place some sort of corner thing here that only how do I put it? OP players can check out probably. I'm not too sure. Yeah, we'll have to see how that goes. Anyway, so far so good. I've added the minion head thing here with some lore that AI generated that I simply requested from the chat GPT, and most of these are working except for the fuel and boosters that I did not add anything else. And there's also another thing that I need to do. It's this equipment. So yeah, I actually need to add equipment here. Yeah, I need to do some equipment stuff here as well, because what I thought was, because the minion operates the normal way, so what's happening here is that the current item that it's using, for example, let's take the carrot minion, for example. It's the hoe. It's using the hoe to harvest everything. But for example, if you were to enchant the custom item or custom minion item and give it like enchantments, like say for example, fortune or fortune, I guess fortune and efficiency or something like that. I don't think efficiency will make it faster, but fortune will definitely like improve the items or get more drops, I guess. You know, that's what I feel anyway. That's how I feel that it would be. However, instead of us crafting it, I should probably just like create, a set amount and such. Wow, that carrot minion text is going through my head. I just realized. And my son has entered the room. He's looking all sleepy and like looking at me in a confused manner. Like, what's he doing? Who's he talking to? Indeed. Good morning. He certainly woke up early, 8 o'clock, but that's okay. That's good. Now he can go to childcare without issues, right? 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 Yeah, he's confused. And I really hope that your computer doesn't crash. I hope so, Prina. I really hope that my computer does not crash. I mean, I think because you know how I posted a community post saying that I felt my computer was compromised or something or the other. Well, after that, I haven't really noticed any issues actually. So I actually should post an update. I actually should post an update and let everyone know that I reset my computer and everything's fine. Everything appears to be fine. I did log out of all my Windows sessions from all the other activities and etc. So all good so far in that department. So now all I have to do is figure out what to do next moving forward, because that was like worrying. Like, how in the world did that happen? How in the world did that happen? Like sure, I couldn't prove that my computer was compromised, but like it was still worrying nonetheless. The fact that something like that happened and I had no idea or no clue how to contend with it. Yeah, that was really worrying to say the least. Really worrying to say the least. Right? My son's face looks so confused. Good morning. Yeah, he's woken up and he's probably still in a sleepy demeanor, which is why he's looking all confused and all that. So anyway, what do you guys reckon that I should do? Should I add equipment slot for the minions, so that you can place items such as a hoe or pickaxe with specific enchantments on it, so that the minion will work better? Or do you think it's a little too much already, because your minion already operates at a certain given time, so you don't really need to do all that? Alright, Brina, take care of yourself. Thank you for joining today. See you next time. Have a great day or night. See you. And Archie, what? I'm still not letting the deal down at 10 million subs. You eat Mike. Okay, Archie. Okay, alright. I mean, the fact that you have faith in me to that I will get 10 million subscribers is just. I mean, it's remarkable. I will say that much. It's remarkable that you have faith in me. It's not me that I don't know if I have faith in myself to get that much number, because 10 million, that's like a massive number. Like, what would I be doing in order to get 10 million subscribers? Like, it took Technoblade over 7 years to get 10 million. So I'm not leaving until you do. Okay. Thank you for the support, Archie. Thank you for the support. I guess the constant reminder for me is keep going. Just keep doing my own thing. I understand. I will do my utmost. And let me restart, because I just realized that this thing and this thing don't need to be the same, but well, it is what it is, I guess. E. Okay, let's see. Copying over the plugin and restart. Okay, so far so good. Much of the minions are working without any issues. The foraging minion as well, as long as the server is active and online, it is able to store all the data, all the information that it has gathered, and use that properly to break all the logs and such. So I think that's good, at least. And my son is banging the carpet. Okay, get the minion core. Wait, why is it? Wait, I thought. Hold on a second. Hold on a minute. I thought. Okay. I thought because I'm adding like a custom like a UUID, stack UUID, so that every item is different. So, okay, what's up with this? Okay. Hold on, they're not supposed to be. Okay, this is kind of bad, really. This is kind of bad. This is kind of bad. Oh boy. Yeah, this is kind of bad. Wait, is this still operating? Obviously, he's still got the penguin carrot minion has still got the core. But this is odd. This is supposed to like create custom stacks for all of them, but okay. I'm just adding thing test. Yeah, because the UUID the UUID is supposed to be the different for so many, for all of them. And yet the fact that it's like somehow they're all going into the same set is kind of concerning at the same time. Okay. Finish the exit code. Okay, good. Next, restart. Because I'm going to test and see like what's going on within the code that's causing this slight issue. Because you see, I want them to be having only one stack at the very least, and not having multiple stacks. That kind of will cause a bit of a problem, cause a bit of a glitch. Because I did notice a glitch yesterday when I was testing out the having multiple stacks of it on in the cursor and putting it in. It kind of does something unbelievable. Okay, so get myself a minion core, another one. Oh, there we go, finally. Yeah, at least while the previous ones do indeed act as minion core, at least now they will be completely different. I wonder why. Wait, what? Hold on a second. Wait a minute. Give me another minion core. Okay. Better trash the ones that that got added in. See? This is what it looks like. Whoa. Get rid of this and adding the code there. Hey Lizzie, welcome to the stream. Lizzie, you did say that you wouldn't come on the stream. You don't need to stress about it. You should go and mourn the loss of your family member and take your time. You don't need to come to my stream. You don't have to stress and feel that that you're not coming on the stream and all that. So it's okay. It's okay. What is more important is that you mourn the loss of your family member and such. Okay, one moment. Minions, give, Vertrex, another what minion. There. Point. But I like to be here. Ah, I am very gracious to hear that. I mean, it's very nice of you to say that, Lizzie. Also, why is this? Not a what, minion? You don't have core. Why are you? Hold on. Also, this guy's like working every 50 seconds. So anyway, still, I am glad that you joined, Lizzie. I'm glad that you joined, and my prayers goes off to your loved one that has passed away, and I hope that. What? Okay, what? How is he? Wow. Did you just see that? What? Huh? How in the world? How in the world did it? Are you kidding me? Are you actually kidding me? Why did it? I am so lost right now. Like what? Okay. That was so confusing. Like, whoa, how? I have no idea. I have no idea what just happened there. Let me try this. Let me try it again. Let's get mushroom. No, not mushroom cow. Sorry, mushroom minion. Yes, this guy. Whoa! Wrong place. Yeah. What? Hold on. Get out of here. Respawn. Wait, what? How hard is it to make a texture pack? I think it is like really hard actually. I think it like you need to know the textures and everything, and need to have a good editor and something like that. So my life is so mean to me, but I'm still strong. Yes, Lizzie, I agree with you. Life can be really tough at times, but when we stay the strongest is when like everything else like works out for us, works the best way for us. So I'm glad that you're staying strong, Lizzie. I'm glad that you're staying strong. Okay, that's so weird. That's so weird. That is really strange. That is really strange. The fact that like, where is it? Data. Inventory? Where is inventory? I mean, like the head, the core, and all that would naturally be null. However, yeah, it's kind of like surprising, really. I'm sad that you can't go to your dreams college. It's okay, Leslie. It's okay. It's okay. Maybe you might go to the college that is really meant for you. Maybe sometimes, of course, In life, nothing ever goes according to plan. But I believe that. You know, I believe that life gives us what we deserve, what we need, rather than what we want. It's something like that. Is how I feel about life. How it tends to do its things, etc., and all that. That's how I feel it does anyway. So maybe I'm being optimistic here. Maybe I'm being a little too optimistic. But okay, fish minion. Based. And well, at least good that his minion core is missing, as it rightfully should be. Okay. Now, there's another thing that I need to now fix, which is custom minion. Because I'm getting this thing. It's causing quite a mess. I get treated differently from other people because of my disabilities. Of course that happens. Of course they treat you differently because you are different, Lizzie. Unlike them, you are a nice person. You're sweet. You're kind. You're caring. You're understanding. Unlike those people who are moronic and idiotic, the fact that they treat you differently all because of a term that people had given you, like it's like how do I put it? It's what's called stereotypes. People don't like to be stereotyped, and yet they do it to others. It is ironic. It is very ironic. And actually, you want to see if you can create items, textures for the Z-SMP items? I mean, your choice, Archie. Your choice. I really don't know how everything will work out, really, but yeah, your choice. At the end of the day, your choice. Fish minion. Okay, there is one thing that I need to sort of like work out here, and where is, like, how do we, is it because of the head? Yeah, I think so too. Okay, head, get item, head. Okay. All right, I got it. I have an idea. So a head is like the item stack, so it stores all that. So what I'm gonna do is nbt tag item, nbt item equals new item head. Now head dot set head, sorry, nbt item dot set string Z-SMP custom item npt dot stack uuid well, set integer, sorry, dot name, wait, set string, get random thing, and give it back to the head like this, right? I get the feeling that's how it should go, but okay. Okay, there we go. Here you all treat me like I'm part of something, and I'm happy for that. Yes, Lizzie, I'm glad that you feel that way. I'm glad you feel welcomed here. I mean, everyone is welcome. Everyone is, despite whatever differences they may have, whatever they are constrained by, whatever they're being labeled as, whatever they may be, you are welcome here. As long as you do not do bad things and you do not do negative things. That is the one thing that I consider, like, hope for all people. As long as As long as within you there is the possibility for goodness, then no, that's all great. Then that's great. That's great. You should take a break from coding. Take a 5 minute or an hour break. I really should do something like this, Lizzie. In fact, I'm feeling kind of like, drained in a way. I'm not lying. I actually do tend to feel that way, but I mean, it is what it is. I guess it is what it is. I'm doing my best, and I suppose everything else will fall together. And yeah, I'm just having fun. I'm just having a great time, etc., and all that. So we will see how that goes, right? Right. Okay. So good. Get the item. Wait, when did I join back in? Ha! This is hilarious. I actually joined back in without realizing it. Okay, so getting fish minion. Oh! Wait. Restart the server? I made sure to make sure that the head item is unique and only you can only have one item at a time in your inventory. So I paused the music by mistake. Yeah, you still should take breaks. I will, Lizzie. Don't worry. I will. I got this. In a way, you've taken Bonnie's role here to tell me to take breaks and all that. I'm quite happy to see. I hope Bonnie's doing all right. She hasn't appeared on the stream for a couple of days, but I'm wishing that she's doing all right in her life and everything, despite all the problems that she's facing through. I mean, that's the sincerest wish that I have for every single person that ever came to my stream. Is that I am hoping, wishing them a wonderful time, a wonderful day, and etc. and all that. Get head, get item, get head, get the clone, get create head. Okay, might as well add that in here as well. Just to make it something. Or because it's a custom minion, should I go do it like this? Custom minion. Okay. Z-SMP. Let's go. Minion head UUID. Yeah, let's go and do that. Okay. And what about minion item? Minion item. This is one problem. Is that I place things in all over the place that sometimes I don't even know where I place them. Oh God. Okay, in this way, this is indeed separate now. This is indeed different to all the others. So we have a unique head here. Minion item. Yeah, why don't I go do something like that here? Minion item. Yep. Okay. Restart the server. Everyone in this live, you all should follow your dreams and believe in yourself. Never give up. And never give up. What is your dreams? Yes, I believe so. I mean, as long as your dreams are achievable, I believe you should not give up. Stop banging the carpet, you silly boy. My son is banging the carpet for some reason. It's like he's agreeing in a way. I don't know. Do you understand what we're talking about here? Do you? It doesn't look like it, but I don't know. I can never tell about my son what he understands and what he does not understand. He's a truly mysterious person. I'll say that much. I will say that much. He is a truly mysterious person. Okay, 2 worker head. Set head metadata. Okay. Okay, hopefully this will reload and be able to work things out properly. I mean, that's how I'm feeling right now. Okay, go up here. I mean, dreams are achievable only if they are realistic enough. Otherwise, I mean, you'll be left with disappointment. Like, for example, if you believe that you can become, I don't know, a millionaire, a billionaire, that's great. But how are you going to achieve that? How are you going to achieve that? That's the thing. Last night, me and your boyfriend were playing Roblox all night. That's great, Lizzie. That's great. I'm glad to see that you're having fun despite the loss that you had in your life. I'm glad at the very least your boyfriend is there for you. This boyfriend at the very least, unlike your previous boyfriend, whom you always said what kind of a person he was. I don't want to say too much negative about people that I never met, but still, I believe in your words, and I believe that person was a terrible person. So I'm glad that your current boyfriend is there for you, playing with you and all that, keeping you company and everything. I'm glad that's a possibility. I'm glad about that possibility. Like, I'm dumping all these items. I'm dumping all the carrots, even though it's working so hard. Come on now, soil. Okay, it's not. I mean, it shows the animation that we trampled on the land and all that. Okay. You know, recently I just saw I didn't see the video, but I got a thumbnail where like a YouTuber was saying that the ow, I'm okay, but I banged my knee again. Oh. How many times does it make it? Ow, I really don't know. I really don't know how many times I banged my knee on my table. But anyway, that person on YouTube was saying that that this year's mob vote was botted for some reason. That's the reason why the armadillo won. Otherwise, it would have been the crab that would have won. I'm like, wait, is that really what really happened? Could that be it? Because I saw, because I've been seeing on online polls everywhere that the crab was getting much low because, you know, it gave you that extra reach in order to win. I mean, in order to place and such. So, for example, if I'm here far away, that gives the crab arm would have given me extra reach. So that would have been, in utility-wise, crab arm would have been useful. But I'm not complaining about armadillo because now you can get, your dogs can now have armor, so that's also a win-win for us actually. Unlike the glow squid situation, even though your boyfriend is across the world away from me, but we are still in contact. Oh, okay. Wait, did he like go overseas or something, Lizzie? Okay, this is news to me. The fact that he's like worlds away from you right now. So I take it that he's like on a world trip or something, or is he like gone away for some sort of event or something that he's attending, like college education, something like that? Could that be it or not? I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure. I'm just here speculating wildly about what your boyfriend does when I have no clue who he is and what he does for a living. So there's me just doing guessworks and all that. Oh, okay. So he did go for that. Okay, no worries. Well, I wish him the best of luck. in whatever that he's endeavoring to do, accomplish in his life. And I wish you the same best of luck too, Lizzie. I wish you the same best of luck. Because dreams are made to be made real. However, remember, realistic dreams. Thinking you're gonna become a billionaire or a millionaire, maybe. But the thing is, how are you going to get there? It's not a lottery ticket. Maybe. It's like a lottery ticket. It could take one lottery ticket to make you a millionaire, or I don't know, 100,000 lottery tickets to make you a millionaire. It's like that. So it depends entirely on your belief in yourself and all that. One moment, I need to do something for my wife. I keep forgetting to do this. Like some mornings I do remember to do this. Other mornings I forget. It's a show that she's watching, and I need to get it download it off stream for her. Pretty much chase your dreams, but not off a cliff. Yes. Exactly, Archie. Exactly. Do not jump off a cliff thinking that you will suddenly grow wings and fly. That is not how reality works. You'll instead plummet to your eventual demise, and that's quite sad to see. Despite dreaming hard, dreaming heavy, and just trying to doing the leap of faith and all that. Don't do a leap of faith without having some sort of protection down below, or at least some sort of, I don't know, net to safeguard your leap, is what I'm saying. That's what I'm doing right now, really. That's what I'm doing right now. Is that luckily, in a way, my parents are, while they are imperfect in their own manner and style, they did do work really hard and such to get where they are right now, all for me. And that's the only reason why I'm now doing streaming and doing all this. Otherwise, I would not be doing this at all. I'll be more focused on like more finances and all that, and just everything else. But the thing is, I know I have a net beneath me. I know I have a net to protect me, to safeguard me, if in case my YouTube journey does not result in anything. But I mean, I'm getting faith. I have faith in myself. I have faith in all of you. I have faith in my subscribers. I have faith in my viewers. Even though I'm not getting many viewers at all, that one day, eventually, that the numbers will grow, or I will be discovered by more people, and it'll keep going. That's the kind of dream I have. What kind of dream do I have? Let's say, what kind of dream do I have? My dream is to spread happiness and joy on other people, and I guess, in a way, bask in the happiness of their happiness, I guess. It's always been like that for me since childhood. I've never really known how to feel my own happiness, apart from my own personal things. However, I found it the greatest joy whenever I made other people happy. Go to mom. So for me, my happiness always stems from making other people happy, whether it is a complete stranger or even my own wife, or anyone really, even you guys. As long as you're happy, I'm happy. If you're sad, I'm sad too. And despite that sadness, I will do my best to cheer you up if I can. And that's my dream in life. It's not to be rich, it's not to be famous. It's just to spread happiness and joy with what little meaning my life had. And I hope I am accomplishing that with my shenanigans, with whatever I'm doing right now. I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm just going back and forth talking to you guys, not even focused on what the heck I'm doing. I actually don't know what I'm doing. Okay, one moment. I need to close this window. But yeah, I sincerely hope that whatever dreams that you all had, everything that you are dreaming of accomplishing, I hope they all come true. I wished my utmost that they do come true. But again, like I said, dream about realistic things, not dreams that can or cannot come true. Remember, realistic dreams can come true, or Or maybe if you plan really well, that can also work out. That can also work out in your favor. So do your best, and everything else, fate will take care of it. This is one I firmly believe in. I firmly believe in fate, destiny, whatever you call it, because in a way, it's always what I felt in life, whatever happiness I felt. When I was feeling down and all that, I would think about how lucky I am in life that I'm not one of those sad peoples in life who are struggling and everything and all that. I mean, imagine yourself being in a country where your freedom is oppressed, or whatever you do, you are being monitored every single day. I mean, sure, we are monitored today as well because we are online. But the thing is, if we go offline, people don't really care what you do in your offline world. The only reason that they care about you is either you are important to them, 2, they're stalkers, 3, they're simping for you, and 4, because you have built up a rap sheet of quite a lot of negativity towards yourself by speaking out against a lot of things online and that people don't agree with. That those things can cause quite a bit of a mess all around. I will say that much. Oak minion 1. Okay, so next thing I need to add to the minions is fuel, boosters, and upgradability. So currently all of them are at T1, and I want them to go up to at least T12 or T11. Yeah, let's go with T11, not T12. There's no need for T12. Let's go make it T11 as the maximum. Everyone is unique in their own way. Exactly, Lizzie. Exactly. You cannot compare one with the other. It's like comparing the chicken and the egg. Like, come on. Both of them creates life. The chicken lays the egg, where the egg hatches a new chicken or new chick in a way. So you can't compare one or the other because everyone is unique. Everyone is different. That's why we are like this. If we were meant to be the same, then we would have been built like robots, built to have hive minds with a master controlling all of us. But we're not. The fact that people like those people like Andrew Tate or other people who like give these stupid examples of masculinity, or women giving bad advices to women, like saying, "Hey, you need to be a boss. You need to be this and that." Why do you need to be a boss in order to be successful in your life? That's my question. And second of all, Matrix, they keep going on about this Matrix and such. That isn't. I don't care about what they say because I don't believe in any of the nonsense. Like seriously, we live in a Matrix. Are you serious? Are you for real? Yeah, I'm calling out on them. Are they for real right now? Saying that we live in a Matrix and etc. and they've like broken out of the Matrix. If they did, then why the heck did Andrew Tate go to jail? Maybe there may be false accusations, maybe not. But the fact is, he's not out of the system. No one is out of the system. They're simply leeching off of the hard work, efforts that other people have put in, and they're not returning any of the favors. They're taking but not giving. What they give is actually they're also taking from you. For example, Hustle University or any of the online courses that they give you and all that, you pay this much amount, I will teach you these skills and you can go out and earn whatever you want based on how well you do with those skills that you learn from me. That is their whole agenda, and you're paying them money to learn. Okay, fine, you're paying them money to learn, but the thing is that skill useful or not? Like, being a YouTuber is a great thing when you become successful and all that. We've seen many people go from 0 to some really massive level. Take for Mr. Beast, for example, or Technoblade, for example, or Dream, or Tommy Innit, or Wilbur. Who else? fills up. Yeah, there are many people out there who went from zero to acquiring quite a track record and all that. Even people that I don't like, but I don't like for other reasons, principles reasons, not because I don't like them as persons, but I don't like the actions that they promote. Mainly, the main thing is that the fact that they're on kick and they can do whatever they want as long as the system is with them. It's wrong, but whatever. I mean, the fact that when kick arose, people were having this debate like, which one is bad? Was Amazon bad for making its workers work hard, tirelessly, and all that, like exploiting workers' stuff, or was Kick bad because they literally brought in gambling money, and I call it blood money because that is the money that they taken from the people that gambled away their money and probably their lives as well. So the fact that they're talking about those two things, like, if you're gonna talk about principles, then stop streaming. The fact that you're streaming and the fact that you're giving, like, you're putting out this image out there is itself the wrong thing. Remember how the social media has revealed how little how Hollywood actors know about their own fans, their own fan base, their own world, and their own society, because they live on a silver spoon. They live on a silver platter, and they have absolutely no clue how the rest of the world operates, because they get paid in millions while the rest of us get paid, like, I don't know, $25 an hour for working in a local store, or maybe if you're like a professionally hired officer or a laborer. I call it laborer because whatever it is a labor job. Whether it is programming, whether it is you're going engineering, building, carpentry, plumbing, whatever. Even someone who works a simple job as security guard, all of that is labor work. And the thing is, we don't get paid like them, and yet they tell us all these things and all that. It is mind-boggling. And that's one of the things I like about one of the hosts of Golden Globes, where that person literally roasted every single person there with facts and just told them, you don't know how the world works, so just come up here, take your prize and get out of here. Like, that is how I feel. Whenever I see Hollywood actors and all that doing that, especially with what's happening with Snow White drama right now. It's insane to think that Disney would like seriously, they're trying to make Snow White like a girl boss. Like, what? Like, that was not even part of the story. Oh, and the fact that she said that story is like outdated and all that. Walt Disney got a customized Golden Globe award for that. A customized Golden Globe award for that. For Best Picture, Best Animation, Best Direction, whatever it is. So, yeah. Lizzie says everyone has their own talent, but they just don't find that talent yet. Indeed, Lizzie, indeed. In life, everyone, it's like a learning journey. You search for your talent, and whether you find it or not depends on how hard you work towards it, actually. Depends on how hard you work towards it, how hard you are achieving for it. Depends. It all, again, falls down to your desire to make your life a better place, make yourself, be happy, and all that is what I believe. So, really, all of it boils down to you. All of it boils down to you. What? What the heck is this? What just happened? I have no idea how I got that out of there. Huh? What is this? What in the world? Okay, I am... What? That is so strange. Like, where did that guy's head went off to? Huh? What? Okay, I am thoroughly confused. Like, let me just look in the code. Why are there so many files here? How many minions are even active on here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, there are 7. Okay. I was like, okay, why are there so many files there? But no, there were 7 minions. Okay. But how did I? What? Okay. Okay, something is totally wrong there. Something is totally wrong there. Hold on. How in the world am I getting that stuff from there? Okay, head is there. Fuel isn't there, obviously, but like, yeah, fuel isn't there. Head is there. Core is here. Yes, I have no clue. Cobblestone minion has the B head, obviously. What about this one? This one's the oak minion, and he doesn't have any fuel. But the fact that I was able to get that fuel thing off there, like what? I don't know what is going on here, but I don't know what is going on. Let me go into minion worker. Okay, minion update, minion head. Obviously, I mean, seriously. I mean, what? I mean, I have no clue what even is going on right now. It is that strange. Okay, update minion head. Yep. If the armor doesn't exist, naturally. Okay. Okay, so spawn, create the armor with the minion stuff, obviously, which is getting the old stuff, getting the armor code, getting the NBT. Actually, that doesn't really do any difference anyway, so removing that. Armor stand, the UI. Okay. Okay. All right. I mean, that's basically when spawning the first time, I believe. Although I made it so that if somehow in somewhere farm that this thing is like failed, it would not stay updated. Is what I set it to. So setting it, and okay, I actually no idea how I got the fuel thing out of there. Must have been some sort of glitch, because yeah, that's just not possible. That's just not possible. Like, I don't know how that was possible. Okay. And we have a villain music playing in the background. I don't know if you can hear it. I'm sure you definitely can. We have a villain thing going. Okay. At least the B one looks realistic enough. It's a B cobblestone minion. What the heck happened here? Okay, that's quite strange. I'll say that much. That is very strange. Let me reload the server. I get the feeling I need to reload the server because I have no idea. Like what have I just happened there? And all that. And it's almost time for me to go, everyone. It's almost 9 a.m. for me here, where my work will be starting soon. I feel like I didn't really accomplish that much today, but I did at least sort out some of the problems that I did not complete last night. So I guess that's a win-win for me. But yeah, wasn't too sure about that, but at least that worked. Okay. One good thing is, alright, all of them are good. Very good. Very good. Cobblestone minion. Fish minion, obviously. Okay, so update minion head is basically if the head item is not null, obviously. Ow. Obviously. You get the head item. I'll just do one little quick check. Where is base? Where is main? Where is listeners? Minion listener. Get up here. Fuel. Get fuel items. Set fuel. Where is get fuel item? Get fuel. Okay, get fuel item. Wait, that's number 3, so that is indeed fuel. So oh, okay. Okay, it's because I see now. Okay, I see what I did. It seems I made a slight mistake when it's the fuel thing, so yeah. But all of them gets disabled though, so strange why it is strange why this is working. Like, how am I able to take anything from there? Oddly enough. Okay, set fuel, save, and obviously reduce the item on the cursor. Yep. Next, if the item amount is less than the maximum stack, obviously you add it in. You add one in, obviously, or else display, boop, unable to get back stuff naturally. But there is a slight mistake in this. Yeah, I feel like there is a slight mistake in this, but I can't do anything about it because in a way they're not the same. So yeah, I'll have to see how that goes. I'll have to see how it goes. Because I need to rework what happens when, if I have, for example, give myself a minion core. If I were to do this, yeah, they get added on. They're not the same, but they get added on. That's the problem. I need to fix that. Okay. I will need to fix that. And that's only because in the code, I assumed what they're putting in is the same minion core. So I'm gonna have to check is similar or not when I'm adding them in. Oh boy, that's gonna be wonderful. So anyway, that's it for today, everyone. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you all had fun. I hope you all had fun watching me stream, and you know, I hope that I wish you all have a wonderful day, a wonderful time. And I hope to see you all return the next time around. So until next time, make sure to take care of yourself and stay healthy, stay happy, cheerful, and all that. It is very important for me that you're all happy and cheerful in your life, okay? All right? So until next time, make sure to take care of yourself, be safe out there, and bye!